Yoga is practiced for general well being according to an individual's physical condition and needs. If you are new to yoga, please consult your doctor before committing yourself to its practice. योग सामान्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen the spine. Stretch your legs, feet downward. Stretch your arms, hands, fingers upward. Stretch your whole body. Stretch. Exhaling, release your arms down beside the body. Gently turning to one side. Come up to the cross leg sitting position. For initial prayer, back is comfortably straight. Shoulders are relaxed. Hands are chin mudra on your knees. 3 times Om. Initial prayer together. Inhale deeply. Om. गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बोफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् षडाननं कुङ्कुमरक्तवर्णं महामतिं दिव्यमयूरवाहनं रुद्रस्ते सुनुं सूर्यसैन्यनाथं गोहं सदाहं शरणं प्रपद्ये या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वर्धनमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्करा प्रत्यभिर्देवैः सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेष जाड्यापहा। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरुवे सच्चिदानंद मूर्तये निष्प्रपंचाय शांताय श्री शिवानंदाय ते नमः। श्री विष्णुदेवानंदाय ते नमः। ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सद्गुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय। स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय। वेलकम यू ऑल। लेट्स बिगिन आवर क्लास with deep breathing, long inhalation, comfortably, very slow exhalation. While inhaling, abdomen will come forward, and while exhaling, it will go back to the spine. And let's begin. Deep breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale, fill your lungs. Exhale, empty them completely. Relax and comfortable breathing. Mind, body, relax. Relax your spine. Relax the shoulder. Relax the back of your neck. Relax. Get ready for the Kapalbhati. For the glow of the skin. For the immunity. For the purification of the blood. To remain energetic all the time. We'll do the Kapalbhati pranayam. So for check the posture, back comfortably straight, shoulders are relaxed. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply and begin the first round. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Get ready for the first attention. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for 15 seconds comfortably. Back comfortably stretched upward. Shoulders are relaxed. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Inhale. Exhale. Get ready for the second round. Inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Get ready for the second retention. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for 20 seconds comfortably. Mind, body, relax. Focus between your eyebrows. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Get ready for the third round. Check the posture. Back comfortably straight. No rounding the back. Inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, one, 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 two. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Get ready for the third and final retention. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for 30 seconds comfortably. Relax your spine. Focus between your eyebrows. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now get ready for the stretching. Stretch your legs forward. Stretch the toes down. Stretch the toes sideways. Stretch your toes forward. Stretch the toes sideways. Toes forward, sideways, forward, sideways, forward, sideways, forward, sideways, forward, sideways, forward, sideways, in the center. Shake your legs. Now in the center, rotate the ankles first from right side on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the center. Now to the left on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, on 6 in the center. Now join the soles of your feet. Hold your toes. Interlock the fingers. Stretch your back spine comfortably upward and flap the knees comfortably. Enjoy the flapping of the knees like a butterfly. Keep on doing. Keep them enjoying. Exhale, release. Comfortable sitting position. Now, bend your knees. Hold them tightly. Stretch your spine upward. Exhaling, chin down to the chest. Inhaling up to the ceiling. Exhaling down to the chest. Inhaling up to the ceiling. Once again, down to the chest. Up to the ceiling. In the center. Look back over the right shoulder. In the center. Look back over the left shoulder. In the center. To the right. Center. To the left. Center. Relax. Comfortable breathing. Now get ready for the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Right hand In Vishnu Mudra, fold your first two fingers down. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Back comfortably straight. Shoulders relaxed. First, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now place your right thumb on the right nostril. Breathe through left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhaling left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, blocking your nostrils. Exhaling right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhaling right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. It's last round. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Last retention. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently drop your right hand on the right knee. Relax and comfortable breathing. Keeping your eyes closed. Enjoy your inner peace. Feel the energy. Feel the balanced flow of the prana. Now, keeping your eyes closed, stretch your legs forward and lie down on your back. Gently, legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Start relaxing all the body parts. Relax your spine, shoulders, relax, Hands and arms are relaxed. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Relax. Oh. Comfortably, legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen the spine. Stretch your legs, feet, stretch. Exhaling, release your arms down, gently turning to one side. Come up, first sitting position. Come up to the standing position on the top of the mat. First, feet apart. Arms, palms facing forward. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Shoulders, arms are relaxed. Relaxed breathing, relaxed mind. Get ready for the Surya Namaskar, first round. Feet comfortably together. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Breathe comfortably, stay there. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch up. Arms stretching upward. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Hips stretching upward. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Look up, arch back. Pressing your thigh, right thigh on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Now retaining the breath, stretch your left leg back. Push-up position. Head, hips, heels are in a straight line. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Elbows are near the chest, near the ribs. Inhaling, come forward, head up, chest up. The cobra pose. Legs, feet are comfortably together. Exhale, heels down, the inverted V. Feel the stretch into your calves muscles. Push your heels down. Inhaling, left knee down and right foot forward between your hands. Stretch your left leg backward. Push your thigh, left thigh on the mat. Inhaling, exhaling, left foot forward. Feet are together. Palms on the mat. Stretch your hips upward. Chest to the thighs. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Stretch right arm up. Stretch the left arm up. Stretch your spine. Exhaling, comfortably release. For the left stretch, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relax and comfortable breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Try to touch the ceiling. Inhaling more up. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Inhaling, stretch your left leg back. Look up, arch back. Left thigh on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Retaining the breath. Stretch the left leg back. Push-up position. Body in a straight line. Hands carrying the weight. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Sashtang Pranam. Toes tucked on the mat. Heels are stretching upwards. Inhaling, come forward, come up, arch back, cobra pose. Feel the focus on your back. Exhaling, heels down, inverted V. Push your heels down. Look towards your toes. Inhaling, right knee down, left foot forward, arch back. Extend your spine. Exhaling, right foot forward, feet are together. Palms are on the mat. Chest to the thighs. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Stretch up. Exhaling, release, arms down. For the second round, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position, arms comfortably, resting on the chest. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your arms, hands up. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Hips are stretching upward, palms on the mat, chest to the thighs. Inhale, stretch your right leg back, look up, arch back. Right thigh on the mat. Keep on looking upward to the ceiling. Retaining the breath. Left leg back, push-up position. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Chest on the mat. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Come forward. Head up, chest up. Legs, feet together. Cobra pose. Exhaling. Inverted V position. Look to the toes. Push your heels down. Inhaling. Left knee down. Right foot forward. Look up. Arch back. Right thigh on the mat. Exhaling. Left foot with the right. Feet are together. Palms on the mat. Hips stretching upward. Inhaling. Stretch your arms up. Exhaling. Release. For the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, bend forward and down, palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch your left leg back, look up. Retain the breath, feet together. Push-up position, look forward. Weight on your hands and toes. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Inhaling, forward, head up, chest up, cobra. Legs feet together. Exhale. Heels down, inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhaling, right knee down. Left foot forward. Look up, arch back. Stretch your right leg back. Exhaling, right foot forward. Feet are together, palms on the mat. Hips stretching upward. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Stretch up. Exhaling, arms down. Feet apart. Slow down your breathing. Slow down the heartbeat. Shoulders relax, arms relax. Relax yourself completely. Now again get ready for the one set more. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relax breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, forward and down. Palms on the mat. Toes, fingers are in a straight line. Stretch your hips up. Inhaling, stretch your right leg back. Look up. Right thigh on the mat. Retaining the breath. Feet together. Push-up position. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, come forward, head up, chest up. Cobra position. Focus on your lower back. Exhaling, knees down, heels down, inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhaling, left knee down, right foot forward, look up, arch back. Exhaling, left foot forward, feet are together, palms on the mat, chest to the side. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. For the left stretch, relax and comfortable breathing. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up, arch back. Exhaling, bend forward and down, palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch your left leg back, look up, arch back. Retain your breath. Push-up position. Look forward. Body in a straight line. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, come forward. Head up, chest up, look up, arch back. Exhale, inverted V, look to the toes. Inhale, right knee down, left foot forward between your hands. Look up, arch back. Exhaling, right foot forward, feet are together, palms on the mat. Push your hips upward. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. Feet apart. Relax, comfortable breathing. Slow down the breath. Relax your mind. Relax breathing. Now join your feet. Come up on the toes. Stretch your arms forward. Slowly, gently. Come down according to your comfort. Come down and lie down on your back. Legs apart. Arms apart. Eyes closed. Very relaxed and comfortable breathing. Relax your body. Relax the mind. Relax. Relax the spine. Relax your shoulders. Relax. Oh, gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Arms beside the body. Get ready for the single and double leg raising. Choose your arms position under your hips and thighs or under or beside your body. Inhaling, lift your right leg straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhaling down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Stay there. Rotate your right leg, starting from the right, bending to the right. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5. In the center, to the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5. In the center and bring it down comfortably. Right leg down, both legs together. Now inhaling, lift your left leg up, straight up. Rotate to the right on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5. In the center, now to the left on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5. In the center, gently bring it down, both legs together. Relax and comfortable breathing. Relax both legs comfortably together. Now we'll do the cycling. Lift your right, left. Keep on doing one by one. Inhaling, exhaling comfortably. Exhaling, release. Bring your both legs comfortably down. Legs together. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Mind, body, comfortably relaxed. Now for the double leg raising. Inhaling, lift your legs straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhaling comfortably down, legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Relaxed breathing. Keep on breathing comfortably. Relax your spine. Relax. Om. Gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen your spine, stretch the body, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Now turning to one side. Come up. Get ready for the Sarvangasana. Shoulder stand. Draw your mat towards the wall. Lie down on your back near the wall. Buttock very near the wall and step your feet up. Walk your feet up. Stay there. Arms beside the body. Relax and comfortable breathing. Relax your legs. Relax the feet. Relax the spine. Relax. Now inhaling. Pressing the wall with your feet and hips, chest up. Support your back with the hands. Relaxed breathing. Relax the back of your neck on the mat. Relaxed. Feel the balance. Feet are comfortably relaxed. Now exhaling, bring your right leg down. Inhaling up to the wall. Exhaling, right leg, left leg down. Inhaling up, left foot on the wall. Once again, exhaling, right leg down. Inhaling up. Exhaling, left leg down. Inhaling up. Now comfortably exhaling, release the pose. Knees, hips, thighs down. Exhaling, bring your feet, step your feet down. Feet are flat on the mat. Drag your body upward and stomach up and change the position of your mat. Again, lie down on your back. Bend your feet, bend your knees, feet flat on the mat, arms beside the body. Inhaling, hips, chest up. The bridge pose. Setubandha Asana. Make a big, longer, beautiful bridge. Support your spine, your back with your hands. Keep on pushing the heels on the mat. Feet are pushed on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, come down. Release the pose. Stretch your legs forward. For the fish pose, hide your arm under your body. Try to join the elbows, palms touching each other. Inhale, head up, chest up, come up on your elbows. Look towards your toes. Exhaling, Drop the crown of the head on the mat and look back. Inhaling, chest more up. Keep on looking back. Weight on your elbows. Legs, feet comfortably together. To release the pose, head up, chest up, look towards your toes. Exhaling, release, come down. Release your hands and arms. Make the fist. मुट्ठी बंद कर लीजिए. Rotate to the right side, to the left side. Touch the fingers. Drop. Head to the right. Head to the left. Once again to the right. To the left. In the center. Legs apart. Arms apart. Palms facing upward. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Spine comfortably relaxing on the mat. Shoulders are relaxed. Relaxed breathing. Om. Gently legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine upward. Stretch. Exhaling. Release your arms down. Gently turning to one side. Come up to the sitting position. Comfortable sitting, cross-leg sitting position. Relaxed breathing. Stretch your arms forward. Squeeze your fingers. Stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch. Stretch your fingers down. Stretch the fingers up. Fingers down. Fingers up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. In the center, now make the fist. Mutti band. Rotate downward. Rotation upward. In the center to the sideways. Inner side. Release. Fingers on the shoulder. Forward. On the shoulder. Forward. On the shoulder. Forward. On the shoulder. Forward. On the shoulders, sideways. On the shoulders, sideways. On the shoulders, sideways. On the shoulders, sideways. On the shoulders, upward, up above the head. On the shoulders, 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 up above the head, and release. Interlock the fingers. Stretch your arms to the back. Stretch your shoulders, arms, hands, fingers. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Join your hands. Bring them forward. Bring them to the chest. Exhaling, back. Inhaling forward to the chest. Exhaling, stretch your arms back. Stretch the shoulders back. Once again, last time, forward to the chest. Exhaling back. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhaling release. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Now, hands on the knees. Rotate your shoulders. Exhaling, release. Now, stretch your legs forward. Stretch your legs forward. Bend the right knee, right foot on the left thigh. Inhaling, hold the right knee. Lift it up to the chest. Exhaling down to the mat. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Now placing down on the mat. Stretch your arms up. Stretch your spine up. Now comfortably, keeping this stretch, come forward from your lower back and hold the left toe. Look forward, and while inhaling, every time, come forward. Face with a gentle smile. No overstretching. Comfortably come forward. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Inhaling, release, arms up. Exhaling, arms down. Now change the side. Stretch the right leg forward. Bend your left knee. Left foot on the right thigh. Inhaling, holding the left knee. Bring it up to the chest. Exhaling to the floor, to the mat. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Now keeping your leg, left leg like this, and stretch your arms upward. Stretch the spine up, stretch. Exhaling, bend forward and hold the right toe or ankle. Wherever you feel comfortable, stay there. No overstretching. Feel the spine comfortably stretching forward. Look forward. No rounding the back. Back comfortably stretched forward. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. Stretch your legs apart. Again, stretch your arms up. Same stretch. Stretching upward. Exhaling, hold your toes. Right toe with the right hand, left toe with the left hand. Back comfortably stretched forward. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Look forward. Do only according to your comfort. No overstretching. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, release. Arms behind your body. Join the legs. Now for the counter pose. Incline pose. Drop your head back and toes down to the floor. Inhaling, hips, chest up. Look back. Exhaling, release. Relax in Makarasana. Pillow of your hand. Lie down on the chest, on the abdomen. Look to the right. Relax, comfortable breathing. Toes together, heels apart. Relax and comfortable breathing. Oh, get ready for the Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Forehead on the mat, palms underneath the shoulders, legs, feet apart. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up, arch yourself back. Focus on your lower back. Arms are straight. Keep on looking up. Relax, comfortable breathing. Exhaling, release, come down, relax in Makarasana. Crocodile pose. This time look to the left. Toes together, heels apart. Relax, breathing. Get ready for the Shalabhasana. Hide your arm under your body. Legs, feet are together. Place your chin or the forehead on the mat, whichever is comfortable to you. Inhaling, right leg up, straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, left leg up. Stretch left leg back. Exhaling down. Inhale, stretch your right leg straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, stretch your left leg up. Exhaling down. Once again, right leg up. Exhaling down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Release the pose. Again, relaxing Makarasana. This time, look into the right. Toes together, heels apart. Relax on the pillow of your hand. Relaxed breathing. Get ready for the Dhanurasana. Bow pose. Forehead on the mat. Bend your knees. Hold the ankles. Right ankle with the right hand, left with the left hand. Feet are apart. Shoulders width apart. Inhaling, head up, chest up, hips, thighs up, look up. Inhaling more up. Exhaling, release. Forehead on the mat. Release the ankles. Palms underneath the shoulders. Inhale, head up, chest up. Come up on the fours. Hands underneath the shoulders. Knees are underneath the hips. Relax, comfortable breathing. Feel the tabletop position. Exhaling, chin down. look to the knees. Inhaling, arch your back, look up. Exhaling, down, looking to the knees. Inhaling, arching back, look up to the ceiling. Last time, down, look towards the knees. Exhaling, inhaling up to the ceiling. Exhaling, release. Comfortable sitting position for the half final twist. First, very relaxed and comfortable breathing. Spine comfortably stretched upward. Now place your right hand on the left knee. Rotate your left arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place your left arm behind your back and look back over the left shoulder. Feel the spine twisting. Relax and comfortable breathing, looking back. Exhaling, release the pose. Now left hand on the right knee. Rotate your right arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place your right hand behind your back and look back over the right shoulder. Keep on looking back. Relax and comfortable breathing. Exhaling, release, look forward. Now come up on the standing position for the balancing asana. Today we'll do the tree pose. Do according to your capacity, according to your comfort. Just across your feet and joining the hands, lifting them up and breathing comfortably. And if you are comfortable, do the full tree pose, shifting your weight to the right side. Inhaling, lift your right foot and keep on the left. Joining your hands, lift them up. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Relaxed. Exhaling, release. Now for the left, weight on the right side. Inhaling, lift your left foot. Join your hands. Tie them up. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Keep on stretching upwards. Exhaling, release. Arms down. Yes, our walk, steady walk. Exhaling, release. Come forward for the Padasana. Standing forward bend. Relax, comfortable breathing. Back comfortably straight. Inhale. Stretch your arms upward. Stretch from the right. Stretch from the left. Stretch. Exhaling, bending from your lower back. Come forward and down. Place your hands underneath the toes or interlocking your fingers and placing them back. Relax, comfortable breathing. Keep stretching upward. Exhaling, Release the pose. Stretch your arms forward, slowly coming up. Stretch your arms up. Exhaling, release. Feet mat width apart. Hands on your back. And arch yourself back. Knees stretching upward, stretching forward. Exhaling, release. Now, for the triangle pose, feet 3-4 feet apart. Right foot to the right side. Left slightly inside. Stretch your arms sideways. Now bend your right knee and look to the right palm. Left leg stretching straight. Keep on looking to the right palm. Exhaling, release. Lift your left arm up. Stretch up. Exhale, bend to the right. Right hand arm gliding down, sliding down. Lift to the left armpit. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling up. Now change the side. Left foot to the left side. Right slightly inside. Stretch your arms sideways. Now bend the left knee. Look to the left palm. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, release. Lift your right arm up. Stretch your right hand arm up. Bend to the left. Look to the right armpit. Feel the stretch to the right side. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Inhaling, release. Gently join your feet. Come up on the top of the mat. Inhaling, come up on your toes. Stretch your arms forward. Exhaling gently, come down slowly and lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart, eyes comfortably closed, chin down to the chest, palms facing upward. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Relax. Feel your relaxed heartbeat. Relax your mind. Relax. Now for the relaxation, physical relaxation, lift your legs, feet 6 inches up. Just 6 inches up. Touch the toes, touch the heels, toes, heels, touch. Exhaling, drop. Inhaling, lift your hips up. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, lift your hands, arms up. Stretch the fingers, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhaling, drop. Inhaling, lift your chest up. Up, up, up. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, push your spine, lower back on the mat. Push. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, shrug the shoulders towards the ear. Shoulders up to the ceiling. Shoulders stretching towards your feet. Exhaling, release. Shrink the facial muscle. Make ugly, lummy, one-pointed face. Shrink. Exhaling, release. Stretch out the facial muscles. Open your mouth, take out the tongue. Open your eyes. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Gently head to the right. Head to the left. In the center. Relax, comfortable breathing. Following my suggestion, start relaxing all your body parts. Feel the toes. My toes are relaxed. Feel the soles of feet. My soles of feet are comfortably relaxed. Feel your heels. My heels are comfortably relaxed. Feel the ankles and the calves and the knees, hips and thighs. My ankles, calves, knees, hips and thighs are comfortably relaxed. Now feel the lower back, middle back and the upper back and the spine. My lower back, middle back, upper back with the spine is comfortably relaxed. Feel the fingers, palm, thumb. My fingers, palm and thumb are comfortably relaxed. Feel your wrist, forearm, elbows, upper arm and the shoulder. My wrist, my forearm, elbows and the upper arm, shoulders are completely relaxed. Feel all your internal organs and feel all my internal organs are comfortably relaxed. Feel every facial muscle and my facial muscles, lips, upper lip, chin, nose, cheeks, tongue, teeth, jaws, eyes, forehead, ears are comfortably relaxed. Head, mind, brain is comfortably relaxed. Feel the body relax and feel the mind comfortably relaxed. Feel yourself in a silent lake where no waves of thought, just complete peace and silence. and feel comfortably blessed and relaxed. Chanting Om, the universal mantra, or your personal mantra, and relax yourself completely. Body still, mind still. Om, Om, Om. Relax, relax, relax. Oh, feel your every body part. Gently stretch your arms up, legs, feet together. Stretch your spine, stretch your whole body, stretch, final stretch. Exhaling, release, arms down. Comfortably turning to the one side, whichever is comfortable to you. Come up to the cross leg sitting position for the concluding pair. Back, comfortably stretch upward, shoulders relax, hands in Chin Mudra on your knees. 3 times Om, then concluding prayer together. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिर्बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिर्बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिर्बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णम् आदाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय।